Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your maths lecture of grade 3rd and I am your maths teacher Aparna Pandey from DPS Lamachor. So students, as you all know that these days we are discussing our chapter number 12 and its name is Can We Share? Okay, we are discussing our chapter number 12 and its name is Can We Share? So in this chapter students, we have already learned how to do division, what is division and how do we find remainder as well as quotient. These all things we have learned and even we have practiced word problem related to division. We have also learned that how to frame division from the word problem, right? These all things we have discussed in our previous video. So students, in today's video, we are going to do fill-ups. Fill-ups related to division. It is very easy. You all will enjoy this. See what we have to do. Here I have given one question. Fill in the blanks. And what is written here? 7 divided by 1. 18 divided by 18. 8 divided by 2. 60 divided by 10. Okay, this I have written. And here you have to tell what will be the quotient and what will be the remainder. Okay. See, if you have practiced division very well, so at that time no need to do division. At that time you can directly write the quotient as well as remainder. But as these days you are learning division, तो आप लोगों को इतना direct answer तो नहीं आता. So for solving this also you need to do division. तो इसको solve करने के लिए भी आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Division करना पड़ेगा. See, जैसे ये है 7 divided by 1. It is very easy. What we will do? This is 7 and this is 1. Okay, क्या करेंगे? 1 की टेबल 7 में लगाएंगे. 1 7 is 7 and this. What we are getting? You all know that quotient is this and remainder is this. This is called quotient, this is called remainder, and it is asking about what is the quotient and what is the remainder. So what we will write here? 7 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. 7 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Okay, very easy it is. You all know how to do division, so you have to do division. And when you are getting remainder as well as quotient, after that write here. Okay. Next is 18 divided by 18. So same you can try here. This is 18 and this is 18. Now you all know that 18 ones are 18. So we can write 1 here. This is 18. When we will minus 18 by 18, we will get 0. Now again it is asking about quotient as well as remainder. So what is the quotient? This is the place of quotient. This is the place of remainder. So we can write it very easily. Here what will come? 1 and here it will come 0. Okay. Now let's see another one. What is given here? 8 divided by 2. What is given here? 8 divided by 2. So what we will do? This is 8 and this is 2. This is 8 and this is 2. So what we will do? We will apply table of 2 till 8. Let's start. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. What it is? 2 fours are 8. Okay, then minus what we are getting? 0. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 4 and remainder is 0. It has asked about quotient, so I will write 4 here and this is our remainder, so I will write 0 here. Okay, this. Now let's try another one. What it is? 60 and this is 10. This is 60 and this is 10. So let's try. This is 60, this is 10. Now apply table of 10 till 60. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50 and 10 sixes are 60. So what we will write? 10 sixes are 60. Then again we will minus 0, 0. What we are getting? This is our quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. So students, as you all know how to do division, so I hope through this class you all will able to learn how you have to do such type of fill-ups. अभी तो हमने डिवीजन करके किया, लेकिन अगर आपको बहुत अच्छे से आता होगा डिवीजन, इफ यू हैव प्रैक्टिस्ड वेल, सो यू कैन डू डायरेक्टली आल्सो. 1 की टेबल में 7 कहाँ पे आता है? 7 टाइम्स. सो 7 टाइम्स आता है 7 क्वोशिएंट हो गया. जब 7 हो गया तो 7 माइनस 7 विल बी 0. 18 की टेबल पे 18 कहाँ पे आता है? 1 टाइम. सो 1 लिख दिया. बट व्हेन 18 1 जा 18, तो 18 माइनस 18 विल बी 0. 2 की टेबल में 8 कहाँ पे आता है? 4 टाइम्स. सो 2 4 जा 8. अब 8 और 8 बिल्कुल सेम हो गया, सो रिमाइंडर इज 0. 10 की टेबल में 60 कहाँ पे आता है? 6 टाइम्स. सो 10 6 जा 60. अब जब 60 60 बिल्कुल सेम हो गए, सो व्हेन वी विल माइनस व्हाट वी विल गेट? 0. So in this way we can solve this such type of fill-ups. Okay. Now we are going to learn one more thing today, that is division facts. That is division facts. See, for every division there are two types of division facts. Okay, so I am going to tell you how we will come to know about the division fact. Suppose, see, we know that 4 into 2 is 8. We know that 4 2s are 8. So when we divide 8 by 4, we will get 2, and when we will divide 8 by 2, we will get 4. This is called the division fact. क्या कह रही हूँ मैं आपसे बेटा, कि जब हम कहते हैं 4 2s are 8 होता है, हमने क्या कह दिया? 4 into 2 is equals to 8. ठीक है, हमें पता चल गया कि जब हम 4 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, देन वी गेट द आंसर 8. तो यहाँ से हमें एक चीज क्लियर हो जाती है कि जब 8 हमारा 4 से भी डिवाइड होगा और 8 हमारा 2 से भी डिवाइड होगा और कंप्लीट डिवाइड होगा. जब हम 8 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे, देन वी आर गेटिंग 2, और जब हम 8 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, देन वी आर गेटिंग 4. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड डिवीजन फैक्ट. दिस इज कॉल्ड डिवीजन फैक्ट. No need to worry, I am going to show you here how we find the division facts. Okay, let's try. So here we are discussing one more thing. Though we have discussed each and everything related to division in this chapter. Okay, this is our last, that is division facts. Division facts. Okay, in this what I am saying to you, suppose we have 4 into 2 is equals to 8. क्या कह रही हूं मैं कि हमारे पास क्या है? 4 2s are 8 है. So the two division facts are, जब हमने ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन लिखा 4 into 2 is equals to 8, तो इस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से हमें 2 डिवीजन फैक्ट्स पता चले. वो कौन कौन से 2 डिवीजन फैक्ट्स है? दीज आर 8 when divided by, क्या कहा मैंने कि जब 4 into 2 equals to 8 आ रहा है, इसका मतलब जो ये 8 है ये हमारा 4 से भी डिवाइड होगा और ये 8 हमारा 2 से भी डिवाइड होगा. एंड दिस इज ओनली कॉल्ड डिवीजन फैक्ट. कैसे? देखते हैं. I have written this 8 here. Now I am dividing this 8 by 4. तो जब मैं 8 को 4 से डिवाइड कर रही हूँ, I am getting 2. You can try this here. This is 8. This is 4. 4 2s are 8, and when we are subtracting, we are getting 0. So the answer is 2 only. So 8 divided 4 is equals to 2. And when I am dividing this 8 by 2, what I am getting? 2 divided by 8, sorry 8 divided by 2, then what we are getting? 4. क्या मिल रहा है मुझे? 4. कैसे? You can check here. This is 8, this is 2. 2 4s are 8. When we are subtracting, we are getting 0, and this 4 is quotient. This 4 I have written here. तो this is called division fact. This is called division fact. क्या कहा मैंने आपको? जब हम इसको जो हमारा मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद, जो मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद नंबर आता है, वो नंबर हमारा ये दोनों मल्टीप्लिकेंट और मल्टीप्लायर दोनों से क्या होता है, डिवाइड हो जाता है। प्रोडक्ट जो हमारा आता है वो मल्टीप्लिकेंट और मल्टीप्लायर दोनों से डिवाइड हो जाता है। 8 divided by 4 we are getting 2 and 8 divided by 2 we are getting 4, and this is called the division fact. This is called the division fact. One more example you can try here. Suppose we have 6 into 4. Okay, suppose it is given 6 into 4 is equals to 24. Okay, क्या है, 6 into 4 is equals to 24. अब मैं आपसे कहूँ, प्लीज टेल मी द डिवीजन फैक्ट फॉर दिस. अब इसके लिए आप मुझे डिवीजन फैक्ट बताइए. आप क्या करेंगे, यू विल राइट 2 डिवीजन फैक्ट्स आर, 2 डिवीजन फैक्ट्स आर, क्या होंगे इसके लिए 2 डिवीजन फैक्ट्स. सबसे पहले जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट आया है वो लिख देते हैं 24. नाउ वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 6. एक डिवीजन फैक्ट यहां से निकल जाएगा, एक यहां से निकल जाएगा. व्हेन वी विल डिवाइड 24 बाय 4. अच्छा, 6 into 4 is equals to 24 है, तो जब हम 24 को 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे we are getting 4, और जब हम 24 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे we are getting 6. Okay, when we divide 24 by 6 we are getting 4, and when we are dividing 24 by 4 we are getting 6, because 6 into 4 is 24. So I hope students that you are able to learn what is division fact. ये डिवीजन फैक्ट हमें क्या समझाता है, ये डिवीजन फैक्ट हमें ये समझाता है that when we are multiplying two numbers and we are getting product, then these both numbers divide that number completely. तब ये दोनों ही नंबर उस नंबर को completely divide करते हैं. इसीलिए हम 6 से 24 को भी डिवाइड करते हैं तो वो कंप्लीट डिवाइड होके 4 क्वोशिएंट आ जाता है, और जब हम 24 को 4 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो वो कंप्लीटली डिवाइड होके 6 क्वोशिएंट आ जाता है. If you have any doubt, you can try this here. This is 24 and this is 6. Now put 6 table till 10 before. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. तो क्या किया, 6 4s are 24. ये हमने कर दिया माइनस एंड वी आर गेटिंग 0 एंड द कोशिएंट इज 4. कोशिएंट क्या आ गया, 4 आ गया. इसीलिए मैंने 24 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 इज इक्वल्स टू 4 लिखा है. सेम यू कैन ट्राई फॉर 24 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. तो जब आप 24 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे you have to apply 4 table till 24. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 and 4 6s are 24. तो क्या आ जाएगा, 4 6 are 24 आ जाएगा. Then quotient will be 6 and 24 minus and 0 will be the remainder. So students, in this way we can learn the division facts. So here we have completed our chapter number 12, can we share, that is related to division. Again I am telling to all of you that for multiplication and division it is very necessary for you to learn tables. If you will not learn tables, it will become very tough for you to do multiplication as well as division. Without tables you will not able to calculate the thing. So please take tables seriously, learn them and practice more and more multiplications as well as divisions. I hope that you all will like this video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.